What's up guys? Ngayong araw magre-react tayong muli sa banda Mission Souls. Ito yung cover song nila ng Out of My Head ng Passball. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang bandang Mission Souls. Sumikat tong kanta na to guys taong 1998.
Sometimes I feel like I'm trapped behind the wheel of possibility. However it may roll, give it a spin.
Ganda ng areglo nitong kanta na to. Napakaswabe lang nung tono.
See if we can somehow factor in. You know there's always more than one way to say exactly what you mean to say. Was I out of my head? Was I out of my mind? How could I ever be so blind?
Panalo yung blending nila dito. Galing.
I was waiting for an indication, but it was hard to find. No matter what I say, only what I do, I never mean to do.
Ganda talaga ng acoustic guitar ni Stacy. Acoustasonic.
Things to you so quiet, but I finally woke up. If you're sad at this time you spoke up to.
Yun no? Grabe. Kaya pala naka Les Paul si Nisha. Meron palang pasabog na adlib. Yung adlib ni Nisha, tunog 60s. Ganda ng tunog ng Les Paul niya dito.
How could I ever been so blind? I was waiting for an indication. It was hard to find. No matter what I say, only what I do. I never mean to do bad things to you. So quiet, but I finally woke up.
Lahat sila dito smooth lang yung tunog. Yung keyboard ni Naces, yung bass ni Daddy Second, pati yung palo ng drums ni Ice talagang smooth lang. Wala ka masyadong maririnig na yung parang mabilis na beat. Ganda pakinggan.
If you're sad and it's time you spoke up to. Was I out of my head? Was I out of my mind? How could I ever been
Galing nung ginawa ni Naces na yun.
so blind? I was waiting for an indication. It was hard to find. No matter what I say, only what I do. I never mean to do bad things to you. So
Panalo yung second voice ni Mami Sheena. Bagay na bagay talaga yung kombinasyon ng boses nila ni Stacy.
quiet, but I finally woke up. If you're sad, then it's time you spoke up to.
Grabe. Ang sarap pakinggan. Pang ano lang to, pang chill-chill tong kanilang tugtugan na to. O diba, talagang panalo pag bandang Mission Souls ang bumira ng kahit anong cover song na yan. Kahit anong genre guys, wala silang inuurungan dahil napaka-flexible nila pagdating sa music. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para mapanood nyo pa yung mga iba pa nilang cover song. Ganon din sa ating munting channel para ma-notify naman kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.